Another example, t of n is equal to 3t n by 4 plus n log n. A is equal to 3, b is equal to 4, f of n is equal to n log n. Now finding out that n log raised to log a to the base b, it is log 3 to the base 4. It comes nearly to n, naturally it is value less than 1. Okay. Now f of n is equal to n log n. That means it is more than point n, here it is 1, but we got only a decimal value. So it is more than 0.792. So there should be a value added to it only to get a 1. So it is case 3. Now that will be solved like this. How will you find that? C. 3 n by 4 log n by 4 less than 3 by 4 n log n. So from this we can find out C is equal to 3 by 4. Now how do you get this value? This is how we solve. 3 f of n by 4 less than C n log n. Now this f of n was replaced by this value n log n by 4. N was replaced by this n log n by 4 less than C n log n. From this you can take this out, 3 n by 4 log n by 4 less than 3 by 4 n log n. How do you solve? This is solving. So you get C is equal to 3 by 4. So T of n is equal to theta n log n. Now for this third case you can take the other method. Now how will you solve the other method? T of n is equal to 3t n by 4 plus n log n. That was the equation. Now this f of n, if you substitute in this method, a is equal to 3, b is equal to 4, n log n is equal to, k is equal to 1 and p is also equal to 1. A is greater than b raised to k. That means 3 is less than 4 raised to 1 and p is greater than or equal to 0. So you can take the cases accordingly. Now solve these equations similarly. This is one equation. The answer is this. You can go for the next equations also. There are some examples here. So please try to solve these equations. Okay. Now there are some equations which do not apply. How do you say that it does not apply? 2 raised to n t n by 2 plus n raised to n, as a is not a constant. This keeps on changing. It won't work. Similarly, there are some equations. These are some equations which cannot be. Here it is all constant, but here it cannot come to. There won't be any relationships between. The minus cases won't work, as well as there won't be relationships, or it cannot come into these 3 cases once you solve it. So there are equations which cannot be solved using Master's theorem also. So kindly go through the video once again after hearing, because you may be confused. I'll send the notes also, and first read it out or just listen to it and then come out if you have any doubts. Okay, thank you.